He's all upset his spot got taken.
No, don't you take my earring. No, I know you like pretty gold. I know you do, but you can't have my earrings. Oh, when you're getting all the love over there.
I love you. I have to brush Winston's teeth.
Okay. Can you just peek out the door and make sure Jacob's all right?
The door's open.
Oh. Got my earring. I just got those earrings and I thought he wouldn't be able to get them out of my ear. Lexi, help me.
Put him in his Bible and see if he'll drop it.
Yep. Did he?
So, what do you have?
Oh, goodness. What is that? Mm. Oh, you're such a sweetie. You are such a sweetie. You too, honey. You're sweet. Mm-hmm. All their toys they keep in the corner.